Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father Jainulabdin Marakkar was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His mother Ashiyama was a housewife. In his school years, Kalam had average grades but was described as a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. He spent hours on his studies, especially in mathematics. After completing his education at the Schwartz Higher Secondary School, Ramanathapuram, Kalam went on to attend St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, then affiliated with the University of Madras, from where he graduated in physics in 1954. He moved to Madras in 1955 to study aerospace engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. After completing it in 1960, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization as a scientist after becoming a member of the Defense Research and Development Service. He started his career by designing a small hovercraft, but remained unconvinced by his choice of a job at DRDO. Kalam was also part of the INCOSPER committee working under Vikram Sarabhai, the renowned space scientist. In 1963 to 1964, he visited NASA's Langley Research Center. Between the 1970s and 1990s, Kalam made an effort to develop the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV and SLV 3 projects, both of which proved to be successful. For his work on Agni and Prithvi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was fondly called the Missile Man of India. Dr. Kalam directed projects for the development of India's ballistic missiles. He headed the projects Devil and Valiant for the development of ballistic missiles using the technology behind the successful SLV program. After that, Kalam served as the 11th President of India, succeeding K.R. Narayanan. He won the 2002 presidential election with the support of both the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and then opposition in the National Congress. His term lasted from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007, widely referred to as the People's President. In his book India 2020, Kalam strongly advocated an action plan to develop India into a knowledge superpower and a developed nation by the year 2020. He regarded his work on India's nuclear weapons program as a way to assert India's place as a future superpower. Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his work with ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advisor to the government. In 1997, Kalam received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology in India. In 2013, he was the recipient of the Von Braun Award from the National Space Society to recognize excellence in the management and leadership of a space-related project. In 2012, Kalam was ranked number 2 in Outlook India's poll of the greatest Indian. Following his death, Kalam received numerous tributes. The Tamil Nadu state government announced that his birthday, 15th October, would be observed across the state as Youth Renaissance Day. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. On July 27, 2015, he collapsed and passed away due to a cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong.